All right, everyone. Sorry about that strong language there. That's why we always say viewer discretion is advised. We are in Eugene, Oregon, where a disabled Amtrak train has finally arrived and passengers are able to get off. You heard that woman say she was on it for 42 hours. We're going to continue to listen in, but since she has already used one curse word, viewer discretion is advised.
They could.
Kids were awesome.
What's our man's name? I forgot his name now.
James.
James is awesome. He's the guy in the cafe. He helped us.
Now that it's over, how would you characterize the whole thing?
It's an adventure.
It's long, but
You got to do what you got to do, you know? You got to do what you got to do. We made the best of it. This group here, we did good.
And you're on the way to Portland?
Yes.
Okay.
We're just going to go get something here for a while,
Awesome.
man. Get
Thanks,
out.
guys. Did you just get off the train?
yeah,
Would you have a second to talk to?
I do.
All right. Hey, Zach. All right. If I could get your first and last name, if you could say it and spell
I'm
it.
Pat Maston, and we had a great trip. The crew was exhausted, but they treated us very well, and we were warm. The tree did not hit it. It hit the engine, not one of our cars. So we was dry, we were warm, we were treated well.
How do you spell your last name, Pat?
Masten.
How does it feel to no longer be on the train?
I'm great with it, and I can get home. 58 is not even started being plowed yet. Trees, I can't explain how many trees are down and why it took 2 days to get to us. You just can't believe it. It's just, I mean, this is the west side of the mountain.
How many hours were you on the train?
44 hours. Yeah,
Where are you headed now?
to Klamath Falls, Oregon.
How are you going to get there?
My son is going to pick me up, and I-5 is kind of open. But 58 is not even started.
Tracy!
All in all, after those 44 hours, how are you feeling now?
Oh, fine. I'm fine. Yeah, we had food, we were dry, and we were warm. So that's the three important things.
Well, thank you so much, Pat. We'll let you
Thank
get on
you.
with it. Thank you. Yes, we are. Yeah. Hey, do you guys have a second to talk to us at all? Sure. All right, I'll stand on this side of you, Zach. All right. And can we get your first and last name if you could say and spell it?
Yeah, Jessica Swindle, S-W-I-N-D-L-E.
Okay.
This is my granddaughter, Ayana Swindle.
Okay. And,
Trisha Livingston, and this is my daughter, Samantha Chrysler.
and how do you spell your name?
Trisha, Tricia, Livingston.
Okay, great. Same last name?
No, my name is Samantha Chrysler.
Okay. Same as yours.
No.
Samantha Chrysler.
Yeah, Samantha Chrysler. Crisler.
Okay, got it. All right, so how are you guys feeling to finally be off that train?
It's nice to get a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
Yeah. This has been nuts. I've rode the train before and it was super fun. So I told my friends, let's go on a train ride. And it ended up just sitting for a really long time.
Never would have thought, huh?
Never. Yeah.
How many hours were you guys on it?
We were on there for 2 nights.
We stayed the night 2 nights, and so at 3 o'clock today we'll have been on the train for 48 hours.
Yeah. And here at the station waiting for you guys, there was just so much anticipation. I can't even imagine as the train was approaching the station, what was the anticipation like on the train?
I just wanted to come outside and breathe air and put my feet on the ground. Like, it's been nuts.
So is this one of the little ones here that needed diapers?
Yeah.
So we heard a little bit about that.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, I only packed 5 diapers in our backpack, so, you know, like, luckily a really nice lady came in and gave me some pull-ups because I didn't know what I was going to do. You know, take off my sweatshirt, wrap her in it, I don't know.
How did she get along? How did you all get along?
She has done so good.
Kind of an adventure kind of for her, huh?
She loved, I mean,
How about you guys?
It's been all right.
It's been okay. It's like, what are we going to do? Nothing.
We heard a lot about food and a lot about water being in short supply.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're hungry right now. So
We're hungry.
They said they would feed us inside. So,
Yeah.
we ran out of food last night.
Give me a 1 to 10 on Amtrak's performance, the crew.
Oh, the
I've heard
crew
a 1
is
and I've heard a 9.
a 9 or 10. They did really good, you know. They've been excellent with us.
They've been excellent with us, but I think they could have been a little more communicative with us. Like, we didn't know anything. Our information came from you guys, the news.
Yeah.
So we had no end time. We had no idea when we'd be
And half
off
of
the
us
station.
didn't have cell service, so I knew nothing until about a half an hour ago. Yeah.
Could you describe to me the conditions that led up to you actually stopping on the tracks? What was going on?
Nothing really, you didn't even know anything happened, and then all of a sudden the train stopped in this really snowy area, and the snowflakes were coming down like huge, like bigger than your hand. They were coming down.
Apparently we hit a tree and it did damage to the second car, the engine, and we lost a part of the engine, so
we had to wait
couldn't
for
move.
somebody to come in, and so that was like, after they fixed the part, we were able to go like 7 more miles and then get stuck for the whole time, the 40 hours or whatever that we were stuck there.
And you say you just wanted to breathe.
I just wanted to breathe and stick my feet on the ground and have my granddaughter get some fresh air.
Everyone seemed so positive and energetic getting off the train.
Yeah.
Were there any like scary
No,
moments?
actually there wasn't. You know what I mean? Like a few times, like in the night, you know, because it was hard to sleep, I would look up and think, oh my gosh, this is like a panic room movie or something, you know? But it really wasn't. Nobody freaked out and everything was good.
Toilets worked.
Yes.
the toilets worked. Thank goodness.
Compartments were warm.
No, it kind of felt like the air conditioner was on. So at one point I asked the people for a blanket for the baby because we only planned on being on the train for 6 hours, so.
You had heat then, you had electricity, you had toilets, you had some food.
Yeah.
Where are you guys going to?
Klamath
We
Falls.
were going to Klamath. Yeah.
Where?
Salem.
Salem to Cape Falls.
Yeah.
Are you still going to Klamath?
No, there's no trains that are going to go there now, so. And we got to get back to work, so.
Okay, so where do you live then?
Salem.
Salem.
Oh, Salem.
Yeah.
The trip was in Klamath.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Good luck.
Thank
for
you
your
so
name,
much.
Thank you.
by the way.
Thank you.
Trisha Livingston.
Trisha, just like it sounds.
Excuse me, ma'am. Did you just say you're getting back on the train?
Pardon?
Did you just say you're getting back
Yeah,
on the
I'm
train?
going to Albany.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. Good luck with that. I think we're good. They're gonna pull bites for us.
What?
They're gonna pull bites for us. We're gonna do a live boat shot.
They need to cut the PO too.
They are. We're gonna do a live boat shot.
Limited options too, and but they were stuck. I got something else. I'm gonna catch up.
Shared what they didn't have with each other, and basically family now. So met some people that we wouldn't have. So kind of positive outlook on the whole situation. Yeah. Jordan Cooper.
Jordan Cooper.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. They were so good about it. They made sure we got on there.
All right, everybody, good afternoon, and thanks so much for watching News Now, which is part of Fox10Phoenix.com. My name is Pilar Arias. We are live in Eugene, Oregon, with a local affiliate providing us these live pictures, speaking with people who were stranded on an Amtrak train near Eugene, Oregon since Sunday after hitting a tree on the tracks. You heard that woman talk about the tree. Now, local reports say nearly 200 people were on that train. The Amtrak Coast Starlight Train left Seattle around 9:45 a.m. Sunday with a planned final destination of Los Angeles, but hit a tree in Oakridge a little before 6:20 in the evening and remained there since then. 183 total passengers on board. Crews with Union Pacific, which owns the rail lines, helped clear a path to the stranded train. They reached that train this morning. Passengers were then taken back to Eugene and then will be taken to Portland. Wow, could you imagine being stuck on a train for 2 days? We're watching the live aftermath right here on News Now, which is part of Fox10Phoenix.com. Cameraman moving around. They are preparing to be live in their news broadcast out there. So I'm going to take you in just a moment to Capitol Hill, where some lawmakers are speaking.